Peter Hall.
No, it's not snow, but it is too much rain coming all at once. That's what folks were encountering on part of Florida's southeastern coast. A storm with huge waves, whipping wind, and now what's left of Nicole, what's left of Hurricane Nicole, not a hurricane anymore, but it's about to become our problem to some degree.
Yes.
Violet's in with new information on that.
Yeah, and this very wide storm is going to bring rain for us for an extended period of time because of how large this storm system is. And it's already bringing some flooding concerns across Florida. Right now, it is still a tropical storm. Wind speed sitting at around 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. But notice it's shifted its path from west to now a northerly track, and it's going to continue moving inland towards the Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia region before eventually heading directly for central New York. The latest forecast models have updated, and they project the new path of this system right through the Syracuse area. And right now, we're looking like the hot spot for some flooding late Friday and into Saturday. That's when we're going to see the heaviest rainfall. And there's a pretty good chance to see some flooding with higher rainfall totals predicted as compared to yesterday. So let's time out the path of Nicole. Right now sitting directly over Florida as a tropical storm with a wide shield of rain. It's not very condensed. It's going to continue its path northward by tonight, weakening to a tropical depression as it moves inland towards the Tallahassee region and eventually continuing its track northeastward up along the coast by Friday afternoon. But notice this is the center of this system. Now let's take a wider view. The center is all the way down to the south by the Carolinas, but the rain is going to stretch all the way across the northeast. So it will actually reach us by Friday afternoon and stay over us for quite a bit of time. So for this evening, again, nice and dry outside and expecting to stay that way for a decent amount of time. So let's go through with our future cast. Right now seeing clear skies with temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s, sinking through the 50s during the evening hours, so nice and mild, and staying dry tonight. Just seeing some increasing clouds from the south as Nicole gets closer. We're starting off tomorrow morning dry for that morning commute. Just seeing mostly cloudy skies with temperatures hovering right around 50 degrees. So pretty mild start to the day compared to the past few mornings that have been on the chillier side. After tomorrow morning, the rain moves in from the south. It reaches the southern tier first in the late morning, then moving into the Syracuse area right around noon and pushing into the North Country around 1 p.m. or so. And once it moves in, it's going to be widespread and stay that way for the second half of the day, with the best chance to see some moderate to heavy rainfall pockets during the evening hours. Eventually, though, towards Friday night, we will get some dry periods around 10 p.m. to midnight, but we get a second batch of rainfall, and this one's going to be even heavier for late Friday night, early Saturday morning, sometime around 3, 4, 5 a.m. as a line of thunderstorms moves in from the west. But it does head out of here by early Saturday morning with just a few lingering sprinkles during the day. Here's how much rainfall we can expect to get. Many locations are going to get around 1 to 2 inches, and even some spots along that band of thunderstorms could see 3 to 4 inches, maybe even locally more, depending on where this line of storms moves through. Now, after this soggy weather on Friday and into early Saturday, we're going to have some windy conditions behind the remnants of Nicole for Saturday and Sunday. And that wind is going to produce some lake effect rain showers, even mixing in with snow showers for Sunday night and into early Monday, eventually tapering off by midday Monday. And highs will be in the 40s all of next week, with lows dropping into the 30s and even 20s at times, and even another chance to see some snow Wednesday and Thursday. Michael?
Thanks, Violet. Suddenly,